So I'm Kacey Hartley. I am one of the owners here at Willow Med Spa Salon. I'm also an esthetician, and we're going to talk about HydraFacial today. So a HydraFacial, it's this amazing device. It's been around for quite some time. We actually own 2 of them here at Willow. It's one of our most popular treatments. HydraFacial does an amazing job at exfoliating, infusing, and extracting impurities out of the skin. So it's pretty phenomenal. We're infusing skin-specific solutions into the skin, but we're also pulling out the impurities. Now, there are specific boosters, specific vials. Glycol is a very common one. It loosens the impurities out of the skin, so it makes the extraction process basically painless. So HydraFacial they've developed several different boosters throughout the years. We have growth factor boosters, we have Brightenol boosters, we have boosters that are specific for people that are struggling with rosacea as well. So this is a facial that is not only painless, but it also provides immediate results. You will notice an immediate change in your texture, in your tone, in the clarity of your skin, the brightness of your skin, and that's what it's all about. We are very medically based here, obviously. We want to provide you with services to where when you leave our facility, you notice and you feel that difference. So if you guys have any questions regarding HydraFacial, please feel free to call us, set up a complimentary consultation. We would love to meet with you, answer any questions that you may have. We can't wait to see you.